What a way to start this week. Man, this is insane. It's crazy. We're right at the shop. That's where we're starting today because check this out. That trailer is sitting way too low. Every time I drive, I hit a bump. It literally touches the top of the trailer. There is only one solution to fix this problem. We gotta replace this airbag right here. Look at it. You hear that? Man, it's just crazy here. Yo, luckily this happened right when I was at the TA truck stop. I went inside the shop. It's only a 30-minute wait. Man, I am shocked. Usually it's like 2 hours, you know, but hey, they got the part in stock. We need to do this fast because we got a lot of driving to do. We're going back to the East Coast. Massachusetts, here we come. Dude, I haven't been there for ages. Sheesh, let's J. How's it going, man?
Pretty good. Can I get your key from you?
Yes, sir. Here we are.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, awesome.
Get you done quick.
All right, sweet deal. All right, we got tools. While he's working on the airbag, I'm gonna want to eat. I got an idea. This is their break room. Am I allowed to use their break room to cook me food? Bro, I'm about to ask them because if they say yes, I'm about to cook me a steak in their break room. Let's go. Quick question, bro. Is that your guys' break room? Can I cook my steak in your break room and eat my food while I wait?
Yeah, I won't hate you.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yeah,
thanks, man. All right, y'all, we got the go-ahead. Let's G, bro. I can't believe you said yes. Honestly, y'all, the only thing I can do is wait. They're not really allowing me too much in the shop. I'm trying to sneak in there, but I mean, cooking my food, watching some stuff, trucking. They still didn't remove the old airbag, and it's been about an hour. And he just grabbed his cigarettes to go for a smoke break. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. All right, looks like we got those bolts off, yeah? There's the new one, old one coming off, new one going in. Let's G. Beautiful, look at that. Nice and rusty, and that thing is bent. Look at that bolt, it's bent. And the new one going right in. She gonna fit? Yeah, she's fitting. I'll let my man put that on there, and our steak should be finishing up soon. Let me go check on that thing because I don't want to burn the place down, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it's smelling so good in here, man. Oh, look at that, y'all. Oh, pure beauty. Beauty, 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 beauty. All right, new airbag is in. Just put on those bolts and we good to go. I think it's time to go let that steak rest. Moment of truth, let's go. Beautiful. No leak so far?
Nope.
All right, that's good. Let's see if it's gonna raise up this trailer, then we're good. Now the airbag is on there, brand new, so we Gucci. 514. Okay.
14. Yeah.
Hey, we'll just total 514, 14.
Yeah. Okay, I'll send it first.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good. Thank you so much.
This is why I was so excited about being able to punch up.
Whoa, 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 go back, go back. I'm trying to set this up for $3 billion.
All set, man?
All set, buddy. There you
All
go.
right, appreciate it, man.
Not a
Thanks
problem
so much.
at all. You have
All
yourself
right.
a wonderful day.
Take it easy, bro.
Yep, you drive safe.
All right, freedom, y'all. Let's G. We got her fixed. We're good to go. No leaks. Gucci. Let's go. Woo! Ooh. Dude, it is cold, but I am too lazy to put on a jacket. Oh, feels nice. Yo, let's get some diesel. Let's G. All right, y'all, so I've actually been out on the road pretty much all week. So we're starting to stink up a bit. So we really need to go get a... Whew. Man, much better. All right, towel drop right here. I don't know, I just put it back in the same bag they give me. All right, cool. Let's go give them back the key and back to trucking, y'all. Let's G. Guys, this is seriously insane. I mean, it's snowing so hard over here. I don't know if you can see, but I feel like I'm standing still and not even moving. That's how hard it's snowing. It is crazy, y'all. Woo, man, I hope we can make it to where we need to get to tonight. We have finally arrived, and look at this morning East Coast chaos. Right there, the dude parked in the parking lot, this guy blocking the street, trucks parked on the side of the road, this guy going around this way. Dude, crazy. Let's go. All right, let's go check in. Hello, good morning, how are you? I have a delivery.
Yeah, another one, full truck of butter.
Full truck of butter, Terry?
Yep.
Door 6?
Yep.
All right, and that's our door right there. Just rip that
I've never
up.
been able to rip these off. You
No.
rip these off with your hands?
Yeah, it's really easy. Check this out.
Yep.
Grab it from the bottom.
Yep.
And pull this way.
Easier than I thought.
There we go.
Thank
That's
you.
it, man. No problem. All right. Awesome. Thank you so much. Man, we just got empty. Right there. We need to remove that real chalk. There's that beautiful green light that we all like to see. Oh yeah. See you next time, y'all. Let's see.